Nature holds the key to a sustainable future. One of these keys is biomass. Biomass energy comes from organic matter like wood and crops. It's a renewable source of energy, unlike fossil fuels. Biomass power plants are essential for a greener future. Imagine a world where our energy comes from what we grow. That's the promise of biomass. Burning biomass releases energy. This energy can generate electricity. It can also produce heat for homes and industries. Biomass power plants are like nature's recycling centers. They use organic waste that would otherwise decompose and release harmful greenhouse gases. This helps combat climate change. Biomass offers a sustainable alternative to polluting fossil fuels. It's a step towards a cleaner, healthier planet. Biomass power plants work similarly to other thermal power plants, but with a key difference: they use organic matter as fuel. The process starts with the combustion of biomass. This generates heat, which converts water into steam. The high-pressure steam turns turbines connected to generators. These generators produce electricity, which is then distributed to homes and businesses. Some biomass plants use a process called gasification. This converts biomass into a gas, which is burned to generate electricity. Different types of biomass power plants exist, each with its own advantages. Direct combustion plants burn biomass directly to produce steam. Gasification plants convert biomass into a gas before combustion. Co-firing plants use biomass alongside fossil fuels, reducing the reliance on coal. Biomass comes in various forms, each with unique properties and uses. Wood waste from forestry and sawmills is a common source of biomass. Agricultural residues like corn stalks and wheat straw also contribute. Dedicated energy crops like switchgrass and willow are grown specifically for energy production. Even organic waste from municipalities and industries can be used as biomass. This includes food scraps, yard waste, and even sewage sludge. The diversity of biomass sources ensures a steady supply of fuel for power plants. The type of biomass used in a power plant depends on factors like availability and cost. Wood waste is widely available in forested areas. Agricultural residues are abundant in farming communities. Dedicated energy crops offer high energy yields but require land and resources for cultivation. Biomass is often touted as a clean energy source, but its environmental impact is complex and multifaceted. On the positive side, biomass is carbon neutral. It releases carbon dioxide when burned, but this is balanced by the carbon absorbed during its growth. This makes biomass a significant tool in the fight against climate change. Biomass power plants can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, mitigating air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. They can also utilize waste materials, reducing landfill waste and its associated environmental hazards. However, biomass energy isn't without its challenges. The cultivation of energy crops can lead to deforestation and habitat loss if not managed sustainably. The transportation of biomass can contribute to air pollution, especially if sourced from distant locations. Efficient and responsible practices are crucial to minimize the environmental footprint of biomass energy. Section 5. The technology driving biomass power. Advancements in technology are crucial for making biomass energy more efficient and sustainable. Modern biomass power plants utilize sophisticated combustion systems to maximize energy extraction from biomass. Gasification technologies are constantly evolving, improving the efficiency and cleanliness of biomass conversion to gas. Researchers are developing new types of energy crops with higher energy yields and lower environmental impacts. They are also exploring innovative ways to utilize biomass, such as producing biofuels for transportation. Technological innovations are also addressing the environmental challenges of biomass energy. Advanced emission control systems minimize air pollution from power plants. Efficient transportation networks reduce the carbon footprint of biomass delivery. The future of biomass energy relies heavily on continuous technological advancements. Section 6. Biomass in Action Success Stories. Around the world, biomass power plants are proving their worth as reliable and sustainable energy sources. In Scandinavia, where forests are abundant, biomass provides a significant portion of electricity and heat. Denmark, for example, has successfully integrated biomass into its energy grid, reducing its dependence on fossil fuels. In the United States, biomass power plants are emerging as a viable alternative to coal-fired plants, especially in rural areas with access to forestry and agricultural residues. The state of California is a leader in biomass energy, with numerous plants generating electricity from agricultural waste and dedicated energy crops. These success stories demonstrate the potential of biomass to contribute to a cleaner and more sustainable energy future. They serve as models for other regions looking to diversify their energy sources and reduce their carbon footprint. Section 7. Biomass, a bridge to a sustainable future. Biomass energy is not a silver bullet solution to our energy challenges, but it plays a vital role in the transition to a sustainable future. It provides a renewable alternative to fossil fuels, helping mitigate climate change and reduce air pollution. Biomass utilizes organic waste, contributing to a circular economy and reducing landfill burden. While challenges remain, the benefits of biomass energy are undeniable. Technological advancements are constantly improving its efficiency and addressing its environmental impacts. As we move towards a future powered by renewable energy, biomass will be a crucial stepping stone. The path to a sustainable future requires a diverse portfolio of energy sources. Biomass, with its versatility and potential, deserves a prominent place in this mix. Section 8. A call to action. Embracing biomass energy. The time for action is now. We must embrace biomass energy as a key component of a sustainable future. Governments should implement policies that promote biomass energy production and utilization. Investments in research and development are crucial to further enhance biomass technologies and address its challenges. Individuals can contribute by supporting sustainable forestry and agriculture practices. We can also advocate for the use of biomass in our communities and demand that our energy providers adopt cleaner energy sources. The transition to a sustainable energy future requires a collective effort. Let's join hands and unleash the power of biomass, paving the way for a greener and brighter tomorrow.